Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mermaid Bidisha. I am going to share with you all a glittery eye makeup step-by-step tutorial. Glitters and sparkles instantly lift our mood, so thought why not celebrate International Women's Day by making something creative in this space, and glitter eye makeup is the perfect thing to do this season. So yeah, without talking much, let's get started with the tutorial. Now before I start with the makeup, I want to give a quick shout out to this eyeshadow brush set. I got this at Amazon. Now this was the brush set. I saw there were like around 19,000 reviews. Majority of them were positive reviews, so I was like, I need to get this. I want to see what's it all about, and it's under $10. So firstly, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in lighter shade. I love to use lighter shade concealers as eye primers, brightens the lids and also gives a proper base for the makeup. A lighter base makes it perfect to enhance the colors. So once I have applied the concealer as eye primer all over my lids, I'm going to use a matte lighter tone eyeshadow as a wash of a color all over my lids up till the brow bone area. Now a matte beige tone eyeshadows kind of enhances the eyes, makes your eyes look bigger. So I want to add a wash of color all over the lids again to set the concealer and at the same time make a proper canvas for the eye makeup. I'm taking a color like this and I'm going to add that on my lids. Now with another large shader brush, I'm going to take another eyeshadow, this time a deeper shade of brown. I'm going to use this on my crease area. All I will say is take little bit of product each time, don't take too much. So another tip I would want to give over here is that when you are blending the eyeshadow, the darker shade, make sure while you blend it, you keep pushing it upwards, not downwards. The moment you keep pushing the color upwards, it opens up your eyes. I'm going to take this beautiful blush that I got from Shop Miss A. Pink and little bit of gold glitter in it will add more dimension to your eye makeup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same eyeshadow brush, take this blush as eyeshadow. I'm going to place it just below this brown. So whatever glitter you're going to put, it will be in this region, this empty space, and here you are building up the color so that it creates that diffused look. So in this empty space, instead of using purple or blue or pink, I'm going to use a cranberry eyeshadow. So this is the kind of shade I'm opting for today. I love the shade. And now with the same brush, I'm going to blend it out. So if you don't want any glitter, this is it. And you can even add more brown to it to make it look more smoky. I'm going to first use a glitter adhesive. Just a straight line like so, not the entire lid. The reason why I used the cranberry eyeshadow is because I wanted to add a little bit more dimension to my eye makeup. If everything is purple, it's just a purple eye makeup. So yeah, and I didn't apply till the crease. I just applied like a thick liner so that when you keep your eyes open, it sparkles and glistens, and when you close your eyes or looking down, you get other shades as well. Also, this is the glitter that I'm applying today. It's from Profusion Cosmetics. You can take a black eyeshadow like this and apply straight to your lower lash line instead of using any black kohl liner. It makes it more hassle-free. Today I'm going to use Eyelure False Lashes from Jasmine Brown range. So after applying the lashes, this is how it looks like. You can see a huge difference. I applied the same blush on my cheeks, and that's pretty much it. I hope you all liked this tutorial of mine. I already applied my kajal, mascara, foundation, all the base makeup. I just wanted to show you all the eye makeup, and I hope I did some justice to the sparkly eye makeup.